video. This is Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. Alright guys, I'm back with another beginner friendly makeup tutorial. But this time we have guests, okay? We have Ruby Kisses. So we just received some PR from Ruby Kisses. We have this blush for your lips and cheeks, and we also have this staining lip gloss. So we're going to try our best to implement both of these two into this beginner friendly makeup tutorial. So if y'all ready, sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so now I misspoke. I thought this was blush. This is blush balm. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but we already have a blush palette by Ruby Kisses. So I'm thinking we put the balm on first and then we put the blush on. So yeah, we're going to put this on first and then we're going to put the blush on top. I hope this don't mess it up. Okay, so put that on first. If I'm not mistaken, I feel like it's turning to get pink, unless it's just taking the makeup off. Yeah, I think all it did was take the makeup off, but let's trust the process. So now we're gonna go in with the actual Ruby Kisses blush. Actually go with the Ruby Kisses blush. I think I'm going to do this like pomegranate color looking. Now, maybe I shouldn't use this color, not a fan, but it's really sticky. It's really sticky. Yeah, it's really sticky. Like, I think that was a good combo with the actual blush. So I got this from my local beauty supply store, and this came through with PR. But this is a nice, it says Mood Lip and Cheek Blush Balm. So I guess I could put this on my lips too, but we put it on our cheeks and then attached some of this. But you know, I can't let it go. I gotta put the bronzer on there, okay? Just never not gonna put the bronzer on there. The bronzer on top of the blush just always eats for me. Always eats for me. And I don't know if it's still some like don't know if it's still like some of that balm on there, but it just always eats for me. And guess what? We're not putting lashes on. It's a new thing that I think I'm gonna start doing, is putting it right at the top of my eyebrow. This is giving very dramatic. Very dramatic. Okay, so now we're gonna do this intense pink staining mood gloss, mango butter. I'm really hesitant on if I should just put it on top of the liner or should I put some lip gloss, I mean some lipstick on it and then put the liner on it. I'm not gonna lie, I did a good job. Top. Now baby, that's a lip. That's a lip. Yes, yes, that's a lip combination for you, baby. Yes. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Ruby Kisses ate down today. They ate down today. Okay guys, this is the final look. I am honestly impressed with myself because for a beginner, I think you're eating down, Miss Ma'am. I think you're eating down. The lip combo was okay, I'm getting too excited. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss anything. Guys, I'm speechless. I'm lost for words because who would have ever thought that I could do this? Like, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, girl. Okay. Big shout out. Thank you to Ruby Kisses for our PR packages. Thank you for helping us embrace our beauty, and thank you for helping us even learning how to do makeup and including these products into our makeup routine now. So now I know when I want a boss look and I want to be like more dramatic, I know I need to include those two products into my makeup routine. All right, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss anything. And we are going to keep coming back to back with the beginner makeup tutorials. This is not really like full, like, this is not like glam, but this could be an everyday look, but it is more so like jazzy around the cheeks and the eyes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.